My name is Andrew Eaton. I work both places. I like petting. I like planting.
Andrew joined us at Growing Places about 18 years ago. He was eligible for funding for a vocational service through Suffolk County Council. Andrew currently attends Growing Places 2 days a week, as well as a mix of other services across the week, but he sees the days he attends here as his working days. Andrew prepares for his days at Growing Places the evening before, setting out his work clothes and looking forward to coming in.
My name is Gail and I am a senior coach at Growing Places. I have worked with Andrew for many years and he is always happy and sociable and enjoys being in a team setting. During his time with us at Growing Places, Andrew has developed and built on many skills with the help of experienced and knowledgeable staff. Our staff have worked with Andrew to be able to recognise times of unease and discomfort for him, adjusting the task to suit, and providing Andrew with the opportunity to chat. Being in a supportive environment has given Andrew the confidence to try various activities from seed sowing to planting and harvesting, along with many other horticultural tasks. Andrew is able to demonstrate his knowledge of fruit and vegetables by using the picture display board to help with packing a box of veg orders.
My name is Araby and I'm a senior coach at Growing Places. I have been Andrew's key worker for 2 years. During this time, I've supported Andrew to reduce his anxieties and build his confidence to try new activities. I also work with Andrew and his family to set realistic and achievable progression goals, which are regularly reviewed at 6-monthly intervals. A typical day for Andrew includes being supported one-to-one by a member of staff with a variety of activities to choose from. Andrew is brilliant at planting, harvesting and doing the trolley round, and weeding, to name a few. His numeracy skills are very good and he often weighs produce in the pack house.
Growing Places isn't just about a day at work, it is a way to socialise, make friends, grow confidence, self-esteem and learn and maintain skills, which in turn leads to a longer and happier life. If you'd like to join Andrew at Growing Places, book a taster day, or would just like to find out more, please get in touch. Call us on 01473 831 224 or email us at rfworks@realisefutures.org. Alternatively, you could visit our website www.realisefutures.org.